What if I told you there's a town where fish literally fall from the sky? This isn't a legend. In Yoro, Honduras, it happens after violent storms. When the storm ends, people walk outside and find fish scattered across the streets. No rivers nearby. No floods bringing them in. Just fish. Everywhere. This has happened for over 100 years, witnessed by thousands. Scientists argue. Locals collect the fish and call it a blessing from the sky. Tornadoes? Underground rivers? Or something we still can't explain?